So we could talk a little bit about double stops, what are they? How can you play them? There's different ways of playing them. I guess, first of all, let's talk about what a double stop is. Double stop is merely just two notes, a two-note chord. Okay, so we'll look at this one here, 7 and 8. Okay, so we'll just do that, 7 and 8. Because they're very close together, just a fret apart, it makes sense to use two fingers that are closest together, and you play them together at the same time. That's why it's called a double stop. Two of them are played together at the same time. And if you play with the plectrum, you can play through the two strings very quickly. So you draw your plectrum very quickly through them to get almost, although it's two notes, they almost sound like one entity. If you're playing with your fingers, you might want to pop these two together. Or perhaps you're somebody that's playing with a thumb and forefinger, which you pluck them together. Okay, and also the other thing is when you're moving with double stops, they usually form either one fret apart or 2 frets apart, as per the next set of double stops there. These ones here are all 2 frets apart. So the shapes that you want to get used to with your fingers are first and second finger for double stops that are 1 fret apart, and I would suggest that you use first and third finger for anything that is over 3 frets, or with a clear fret in between, if you like, and then you'll see this kind of. And you can see that it slips around a little easier. It's under your fingers.